Can we take a photo of it?
On a serious note, you know everything. Mombasa, they came both from Senegal and they were came they came what were sasa tunauliza na sisi vile tulisema sababu wamekosa kuja the person who is fighting very hard is Modowito. In fact, the college I'm sure these are very serious.
To the court's attention.
Take it that I know the fourth respondent at 5.
Yes.
So can I hear from second respondent? Did you file your response? Yes.
My lord, yes, at 5.
And then what about the third? Fourth? No, third?
My lord, indeed.
Just a minute. First, third.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Fuller.
We filed our response, my lord. And we filed on the 22nd, my lord.
What did you file?
I replied after sworn by sworn on the 21st November.
You can't confirm or not confirm. How do you do things?
My lord,
supposing they tell us they have not been served. So it is you to tell us, I filed and served.
yes, my lord, I filed and served.
My lord, I confirm we filed and served on the 21st of September of November.
What did you file, sir?
Reply affidavit.
Sworn on which day?
On the 21st of November. Served on the same day. Yes, my lord.
You said Mr. Okash, you confirm you have been served by all parties.
Yes, yes.
So
Give the reasons, with your permission. My lord, upon these replies, the two replies spoken about being served upon us on the 21st day of November 2023, my lord, that very evening, the second petitioner, my lord.
That's 22nd.
Yes, on the 22nd. We got the news on the 22nd, but the indication, my lord, which we now clarified, was that on the 21st day of November 2023, he was released late in the night. My lord, he was in a state of unconsciousness around Dandora area.
Are you saying had been released or has been found?
Was found at that particular point.
Around here?
Dandora area in Nairobi County. And my lord, upon receiving medical attention on the 22nd day of November 2023 is when his identity was now clarified and ascertained.
Was in a state?
Unconsciousness, my lord, on the 21st. So they couldn't know who he was at that point. But on the 22nd, he regained consciousness, and my lord, that's when there was ascertainment of who he was, and that information was brought to our knowledge, my lord. My lord, especially from the first hand start, was indicating that they were still in the process of doing investigations as to where he was and as to who had abducted him. So the position that we have still established is that he had been abducted. And
so where is this person? Catch. You know, you should lead us to
Yes.
something instead of what you say. So,
my lord, what I'm
what do you
indicating,
want me to record regarding this person?
he has.
What happened?
My lord, he was taken to Mama
You
Lucy.
don't know, please tell us you don't know so that we don't ask any questions.
My lord, at least I know he got preliminary medical attention at Mama Lucy, but now he's actually, he was discharged and he's at home as we speak. So he's safe and sound as we speak. He's not in custody, he's not in any captivity as we speak. And
Was he found to have any injuries?
yes, he had in extreme injuries and
And not broke, because
I-
we needed something to show me that.
yes,
Not because
he has, and my lord, that's why my
He says
instructions.
He went for medical attention,
Yes,
he was discharged.
he was discharged. I think
He
they
was
took him.
attended to
Yes,
and later discharged.
and later I think they transferred him to for a more specialized checkup. I think at Mbagathi Hospital. But my lord, what I'm indicating is that a lot of these I'm saying from the bar.
Yes, that's I have to record something.
Okay. Yes. He was taken to Mbagathi now for
So I
better.
just said he was taken for medical attention, he was attended to and later discharged.
Discharged.
He's
My
at
lord.
home.
That is accurate. Yes.
You
He's-
said he's at home.
He's
Fine,
actually
fine.
at home now, at least with
The
his family.
record is at home.
Stop there, my lord. But
Yes.
my instructions based on that, my lord, because it changed the trajectory of the response we needed to have, because we need to bring all these also formally before the court. But also,
So do I record it be saying the second petitioner is now free?
is now free. Is now free. We told the investigating officer, and in fact, he has been the second petitioner himself has been in touch with Parklands Police Station.
A report. He has been found. You see, yeah. So what I'm asking is, and please don't answer, I don't want to. had a senior officer here. And there is a station that was, according to him, that was responsible to investigate. So, was this the finding of this person? Was it reported to the station that was handling the matter? You know, you don't know, you don't.
My lord, I know the station